Hi, my name is Muhammad Ali Ablat. Now I'm living in the United States. I came to the United States on August 15, 2015 as a graduate student. Since then, I have been working to get my degree. In this video, I'm going to give testimony about my family members who are detained, imprisoned, or missing in Chinese internment camps. I had last contact with my family in July 2017. Then the communication was cut off. So now I don't know about their well-being, and they don't know about my well-being either. So now I would give anything to see them again and to let them know how much I love them. Now I'm living in fear, anxiety, and depression. I'm constantly thinking and worrying about well-being of my family members given the current situation. To add that the three witnesses who actually lived inside those internment camps had really horrible stories, which would make me constantly think that my brother, cousins, uncles, other extended family members are being constantly tortured, humiliated by sleep deprivation, malnutrition, frequent physical and mental punishments in a crowded, stinky, dark cell. So I have 15 family members who are detained right now in so-called re-education camps, or in prison, or missing. So now I'm going to give testimony about them one by one. I have 15 family members being detained in so-called re-education camps, imprisoned, and missing. Of the 15, one is my brother, 4 are cousins, 6 are my uncles, and the remaining are the extended family members. So in the following, I will show the photos of some of these family members. Most of these photos were taken 8 years ago. Because of the communication barrier, I couldn't get the latest photos of them. This is my brother Najibullah Ablat. He is 30 years old. He got his medical degree in July 2012. Since then, he has been working as a cardiologist and endocrinologist at Kashgar Second People's Hospital, which is one of the famous hospitals in the region. And he loved his work, he loved curing his patients, and he was becoming one of the experts in that field. So he has been missing since February 20th, 2018. On that day, he was called by a community policeman to have a talk. Then afterwards, he has been missing until now. But it is suspected that he has been detained in Kucha County. I'm not sure if it is a re-education camp or a prison facility. This is Boysham Abdulmut, my cousin. She was imprisoned early 2016. Based on the accusation of teaching Quran. Now she is being detained at Konashar County. She is originally from Gulluk Township in Paiswat County. She is 30 years old. Musa Ali Abdurrahim, approximately 25 years old, from Gulluk Township, Paiswat County. He is a driver and a freelancer. Now he is being detained at Paiswat County, but I'm not sure if it's a re-education camp or a prison. Here are my other 2 cousins, Sanigul Mehmet. She's approximately 30 years old. She lives in Langar Township in Konashar County. Now she's detained, imprisoned at Konashar County. My another cousin, Muhammad Habib Rahman, he is 36 years old from Gulluk Township in Faizabad County. He's a truck driver. And now he's sent to one of the so-called re-education camps in Faizabad County. This is my uncle, Habib Rahman Rahim. He is the father of the cousin that I introduced seconds ago. He's 65 years old. He is from Gulluk Township in Faizabad County. He is a shoe repairer and a farmer. Now he is being detained in one of the so-called re-education camps in Faizabad County. This is my second uncle, Abdullah Ibrahim. He is approximately 45 years old. He lives in Langar Township in Konashar County. He's a freelancer. He's a farmer. I don't know about his offense either. Now he is being detained in a facility in Unsu County in Aksu. So it's not clear whether he is in re-education camps or in prison. This is my youngest uncle, Abdulmajid Yusuf. He lives in Gulluk Township in Faizabad County. He's approximately 40 years old, farmer. Now he is detained at Ahu Township in Atush City. It's unimaginable that he is even sent to these facilities. This is Uncle Qari Hashim. He is husband of one of my aunts. He's 65 years old from Gulluk Township in Faizabad County. He spent entire life teaching kids. He was a retired teacher prior to being detained. Now he is being sent to one of those so-called re-education camps in Faizabad County. This is Uncle Mamtahun Rahim. He is the father of my cousin that I introduced early, Sani Gul. He is the father of Sani Gul. He is approximately 60 years old. He lives in Langar Township in Konashar County. He is a really experienced orchardist. He grows a lot of fruits and sells them. He does also farming. I don't know if he is sent to re-education camps or to a prison, but he is being detained at Urumqi City now. Another uncle, Abdulmajid Imin, husband of one of my aunts, approximately 65 years old, from Gulluk Township in Faizabad County. So he's also sent to one of the so-called re-education camps in Faizabad County. This is my brother-in-law, Rozijan. Unfortunately, I couldn't recall his family name. He is 33 years old. He lives in Terim Township at Faizabad County. He has been doing business. He has his own business after he got his college degree. He buys and sells agricultural products. He was doing really good. Right now, I don't know if he is in re-education camps or in prison, and I don't know when he has been detained. And Majid Yusuf is an uncle. He is approximately 50 years old from Gulluk Township in Kaizawat County. He was a really good businessman. He owned tens of hundred acres of melon farm. I don't know the reason why he is sent to one of the so-called re-education camps in Kaizawat County. Another family member is Abduare. He is the husband of one of my cousin. Uh, until now, he is missing. I don't know where he is. I don't know whether he is in re-education camp, so-called, or in prison. So he is from Gulluk Township in Kaizawat County. Along with him, his son Ablajan Abduari is also missing. And also, I don't know if he is in a re-education camp or in prison. So now I demand Chinese government to immediately release my family members, my brother, my cousins, my uncles, my extended family members, and all other innocent people. And let us have normal contact, normal communication between family members. This is ridiculous in 21st centuries that someone cannot call to his parents, brothers, sisters. And I demand Chinese government to inform us of well-being of our family members. I'm also humbly asking President Donald Trump, Secretary Mike Pompeo, Senator and the Chair of CECC, Mr. Marco Rubio, to help me save my loved ones. In addition, I call upon international communities, including United Nations, European Union, all governments around the world, human rights organizations, and everyone who stands for justice to help save my family. Please save my family from this unbearable destruction. Thank you.